Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just showing you a little Trader Joe's haul. I went to the store today and just picked up a few things. I wanted to show you what I got. So here is my haul. So first I just got some cheese for sandwiches and some lentil soup and then my favorite granola bars, and then I bought some eggs and some Kerrygold butter. This stuff is really yummy. Then I just got some more butter for baking. Some of my favorite mac and cheese I like to keep on hand. Obviously had to get my pumpkin bread mix. Like, seriously, it's an addiction. Coffee is a necessity, as you guys know. Got some Bartlett pears. This I'm really excited about. I got some peppermint Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. I'm going to do some tutorials with that. And then some jojoba oil. I have a face wash recipe in mind. Then I got this roasted veggie pizza. It looks super good. My favorite yogurts. You guys know I like these. These Southwest quesadillas are really easy for a quick meal. Got some cinnamon raisin bagels. Those are good for breakfast. Needed some more almond milk, so I picked that up. I got this mandarin orange chicken. This we're going to eat for dinner tonight. It looks super yummy. Two of my favorite Brussels sprouts. These are great. They're 99 cents. My favorite shrimp stir fry. That's such an easy, delicious meal. I did get some broccoli to eat as a side dish. And then some cream cheese just to go on my bagels. Lastly, I got these puffins. They looked really yummy. The cinnamon flavor. I've had them before, so I wanted to pick those up. So that's just my little Trader Joe's haul. I thought I'd share it with you guys. If you want to check out some of my other hauls, I will link them somewhere in this video and you can check those out. This was just a quick little baby haul to get me through the week. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to see more, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will definitely be doing some more Trader Joe's hauls. Thanks. Have a great day, guys. Bye.